Hey guys, Justin here from Simplified Investing. I'm putting together this video as a watch list for you guys into tomorrow for those of you who aren't on our team, and for those of you who are on our team. I have gotten a lot of requests to do an updated watch list here, especially with the recent market and the price action I've been seeing. I thought this would be a great video to help you guys all out. Before I get started, if you could like and subscribe to our channel, it would be greatly appreciated. We are pushing almost 1,000 members in our private community. If you are interested in getting our alerts course and more, check out SimplifiedInvesting.com. So basically getting started, you can see this big bounce back here on the market. From the last time we updated this video, we kept mentioning to those of you who watched last watch list, and especially our members, we need to break this 339.08 level here before. This is the level that we saw a double top before we sold off here back in March. Now we are breaking this level. The one thing that is scaring me on this breakout here is the lack of volume here. And one thing I always tell people is watch volume when you are looking for breakouts. So when you're breaking above this high here at 339.08, we want to see volume accompanying this move. However, we are not seeing that here, which is going to be very interesting. There is no clear conviction of, hey, the market is pushing towards highs here and we are bullish. Granted, we are pushing towards highs here, but look at this volume that we've seen recently. We can go on the 1 year, 1 day chart and look at this too. You can see all this volume accompanying this sell-off here, and even some volume here back in March. Now the volume's almost gone here on SPY. So that means the market's trying to digest everything, and there is no clear conviction saying, hey, we are strong on this breakout here and we are pushing towards highs. So what would I like to see? I would like to see some stronger volume here coming in, especially on the daily chart, that shows that we are gaining traction here on the market and breaking out of that high here. Again, this may take some time here, but we need to get some volume above this 339.08 level here. I'm not quite convinced with this recent breakout here, lacking volume so far. So again, I'm waiting on volume here for a further run up here. However, liking this uptrend here, ideally want to see a retest of this 339.08 bottom here, hold, confirm that support, and get more volume here. Again, we need volume to accompany this move before there is a clear conviction of a breakout. This first stock that I wanted to break down for a play is going to be Boeing. A huge bullish day here, gaining some volume here, up 5.3%, almost 5.5% here today. I'm really liking this setup here. We are potentially forming a cup formation here. I want to see a close here above this 178 level here with potential at 184.43 and then above here at 188.90. Again, you can see this bounce reversal after earnings pushing up here. Now if we can just see this cup formation here, fill and break out here above 188.90, we do have potential for 202 here. If you zoom out on the 1 week chart here, lots of consolidation here. We need to see a nice strong breakout here on this weekly chart here. It is only Monday. I ideally want to see a breakout here above 202.18, which is going to be a stretch here on Boeing, but we need at least a breakout here at 188.90, gain some strength here on this weekly close, and then we can start a new leg up here on Boeing post earnings here. If we zoom in intraday, Boeing was one that we did have a play on here. Again, I'm ideally watching that close above that 178 level here. We do have a strong support provided below here at 175.30, 175.21 area. It's going to be a strong support here on Boeing. Again, why am I liking it? Big bullish day here. Lots of volume compared to these consolidation candles here. The bulls taking control here with a potential up here towards 188.90. Really liking this pattern set up here. Again, cup formation. Just waiting on strength here and further volume to continue up towards 188.90 here on Boeing. The second one I'm watching, and a really interesting one for those of you who have watched my videos before, is going to be Disney. Disney's trying to set up here for an ABCD pattern here on the weekly. Basically, what is that? Big bullish candle here, big pull. Here's candle A, candle B, C, and candle D. Again, we're trying to start this week off strong here, up 2% already here on the day on Disney. Now, what am I watching for? I'm watching for strength in a break above this high of candle A right here at 131.72 for a scalp play and push to the upside. Now, what do you watch for that? You watch not just the breakthrough of this level, you have to watch volume and strength accompanying this move. Again, candle A, B, C, and now we want to see a candle D pushing and breaking highs here of candle 1 with volume accompanying this. You can see this big bullish candle here, big bullish week here after earnings. strong volume. Now we got these two consolidation candles here, holding this bottom here at 127.48. Now we're watching for Disney to break above here at 131.72 with potential to hit 137.54 and above that up towards this 144 price point. So again, trying to set up for this ABCD pattern setup. This is the first day of the week, but watching for scalps here above 131.72 with potential towards 135.75 and then weekly above that towards 144. So again, that is going to be something I'm watching here. Nice setup here. If we zoom in intraday, we can get better levels here. Stronger support here at 129.11 and then a resistance here that I just mentioned at 131.72 will be a key level that I'm watching here on Disney. The last play that I'm watching, a very interesting setup here, FedEx. After this earnings here back in, the end of June, you can see this huge run up here, gapping up from 137 all the way up to 217 here. You can see we had a lot of consolidation last week here. FedEx finally breaking out of this consolidation here. Now, what am I waiting for? Again, I always preach and mention this. You need to wait for volume. We aren't seeing much volume here on FedEx yet. I'm watching this to see if we can break out with more volume here that we saw here back on 8.10 and even 8.7. We had these big bullish days here, strong volume. You can see we're in this slow uptrend here. It looks like we're trying to make another leg up here on FedEx. So what are some levels above? We have a resistance at 256 and then one above at 270. Again, 274.72. Again, far off here, but what do I like about this? These two bullish weekly candles here on FedEx formed that doji. Now, why isn't this doji bearish? Look how weak of volume that was that we saw on this compared to that bullish candle here. So normally I preach, hey, doji candlesticks signal a reversal, right? However, in this case, you have to watch volume as well. Hardly any volume on this doji reversal here, and we get a lot of volume on these bullish days here. So again, always follow the volume here before your move. Looks like FedEx trying to form a bottom base here at 210 before another leg up. And what are some levels here above? You have this resistance here at 230.38 and then again at 256. So watching this, it looks like a doji, and then we're breaking out, trying to gain some traction here above 210. And again, we do have potential here for 230 on FedEx. Really liking this pattern set up here on FedEx. Looks like it's trying to make another leg up. Again, forming a doji. You can see back here we formed two dojis with hardly any volume here. And then you can see this big push up here that we saw back down here from 164 all the way up here towards 205. It looks like FedEx trying to set up for another leg up here again. If you guys found this video helpful and you enjoyed it, if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, it would be greatly appreciated. If you guys are interested in getting our daily alerts and course access, if you could check out SimplifiedInvesting.com, we would love to have you guys on board. We are about to hit 1,000 members, as mentioned in the beginning of this video. If you have any questions or comments, if you could please feel free to leave them down below or shoot me a message. They are going to be greatly appreciated. Hope you guys all have an amazing day and found this video helpful, and enjoy. Thank you.